Okay, so I've just discovered this really cool game engine in Python called Ursina. I've just made this little game, probably in about, I don't know, an hour, based off of a kind of Minecraft clone that they had built in the documentation as an example. So I've just included a little bit of functionality where it calls this this API, and those are the keys. We have to change them, and then I've just recorded some audio as well, which was I used Audacity just to record some sounds, and I've kind of made a little pronunciation game in very basic form here. So we've got this is what is it, like 140 lines of code. We don't need that, so I've just literally just kind of got it to a stage where you can play a game. So I thought I would show the world. Should be all good. So let's have a little play of this game then. Okay, so I had to give myself an exit button because currently haven't worked out a way to break the mouse out of the actual first-person view. So you've got your word. The word is ambulance. What's the pronunciation? Left click to lay a phoneme. Right click to pick one up. So let's see what our first phoneme is here. Okay. I don't think we have one of them at the beginning in ambulance. Somewhere in the middle. Ambulance. That's at the end there. Okay. Another L. Okay. So we got, yay, winner. Okay, I should make that so that you can click on them afterwards, and ideally you'd want to listen to the word afterwards as well when you finished it. So that's that. That's my little game. You can pick them up. You can put them down. Okay, so I've just made a few changes, as I mentioned just now, just to make the sounds play more often when you click on the blocks. So we'll just test this now, and I've also just said given it an input just to give a different word. I was getting bored of the word ambulance. I'm getting quite good at it. S, 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 b, 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 l, a, n, a, b, a, l, n.